Hey there, space lovers. Imagine this, you're walking outside and you look up at the night sky, then you notice something strange. The moon. It's way bigger than usual. In fact, it's getting bigger by the minute. Gasp. The moon is on a collision course with Earth. But don't panic, just grab your snacks because we're about to dive into one of the wildest, most mind-blowing what-if scenarios ever. What would actually happen if the moon hit the Earth? All right, first things first. As the moon gets closer, we'll start noticing some changes. The tides, already pretty powerful, are about to go into full beast mode. Oceans all over the world are going to swell up like you've never seen before. Imagine a giant wave the size of a skyscraper coming at you. Yikes. So, might want to rethink that beach vacation, huh? Next, let's talk about gravity. You know how the moon's gravity tugs on Earth and gives us those lovely high and low tides? Well, imagine the moon getting closer and closer, pulling harder and harder. The Earth is getting stressed out. You might start feeling some strange effects, like maybe your weight changing. Suddenly, you feel lighter, like a balloon being released into the sky. Or maybe your pets start bouncing off the ground like popcorn. No, that's not a glitch in the Matrix, it's gravity getting funky. As the moon gets closer, the Earth's crust is getting seriously disturbed. We're talking massive earthquakes. Think of them as the Earthquake Olympics. If you thought the big one was scary, this will be like a whole new level of hold on tight. But don't worry, no one's going to get hurt in our hypothetical scenario. Anyway, we're all safe just here for the ride. Now, here's where it gets super interesting. Tidal waves. Imagine the oceans just going nuts. You thought you were safe on land. Think again? Huge walls of water are rushing in, higher than the tallest skyscrapers. But hey, no need to worry, you've got a front row seat to the greatest natural show on Earth. It's like a splash zone at a water park, but on a global scale. Hold on to your space helmets. As the moon gets closer, its gravitational pull is so strong that it starts to break apart. That's right, it doesn't just crash into Earth all at once. Pieces of the moon start to break off, raining down on Earth like the most cosmic fireworks display ever. Imagine asteroids coming at us, but instead of panicking, you're like, this is awesome. And then, the moment we've all been waiting for, boom. The moon smashes into the Earth. It's like a cosmic crash test, with the Earth and moon colliding in a massive explosion of rock, dust, and molten lava. The impact is so intense it sends shockwaves across the planet, causing every building and mountain to shake. The sound. Well, it's not like a regular boom. This one would be heard by every living thing on Earth if we could somehow survive that. So, what happens after the dust settles? Well, Earth and the remnants of the moon start to blend together. What used to be the moon becomes part of Earth's atmosphere, filling it with cosmic dust and debris. Our planet might become a little unstable for a while, but eventually we'd stabilize, the life would look a bit different, and space exploration would probably need a bit of a makeover. In the long run, Earth would adjust. The collision would likely create a new moon-like object in our sky, or maybe even two smaller moons. Nature always finds a way, right? So, there you have it. A wild, out-of-this-world scenario where the moon collides with Earth. But hey, before you start panicking, remember, this is just a hypothetical situation. The moon's not actually coming for us anytime soon. It's drifting away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year, so we're good. But just for fun, next time you see the moon, take a second to think, what if it were just a little bit closer? Thanks for tuning in, Space Cadets. Keep your eyes on the sky, and remember, in space, anything can happen. But hopefully, not this.